Welcome to Gear Up with Greggs. I'm Rob, and I'm from the sales department here at Gregg Distributors. Now, keeping parts clean in the automotive and industrial industries is a constant battle. That's why Citation Cleaning Equipment is here to help keep your workpieces sparkling clean. Parts washers, much like the parts they clean, come in all shapes and sizes. There are a variety of types such as sink on a drum, benchtop units, solvent tank, immersion parts washers, spray cabinets, enzyme cleaning, ultrasonic systems, and more. Parts washers have been designed to safely remove contaminants and debris like grease, dirt, paint, metal chips, and more from, well, your parts. Parts washers are utilized in all sorts of industries, but are most commonly used in the automotive industry in order to clean automotive workpieces, to aid in figuring out what might be wrong with the part, as well as for general maintenance. Here at Greggs, our line of Citation Parts Washers are ideal for the small parts where the gunk can be removed with a brush and low solvent pressure. This style of parts washer is very popular for the typical shop. It allows you to clean parts in a sink-style unit raised out of the solvent, and typically can be used in conjunction with a flow-through brush so you can clean your parts more effectively. These solvent-based parts washers feature a flexible metal hose, a durable powder coat paint job, and with a capacity of 5 or 10 gallons. These parts washers should be able to clear any grime you come across. Since these are solvent-based parts washers, they are designed with a key safety feature, a fire safety lid. A fire safety lid is typically propped open with a fusible link that is made out of lead so that in the event of a fire, the lead will melt, causing the lid to shut and snuff out the fire before further damages can be caused. But why would a fire be such a safety concern with these types of parts washers? Well, solvent-based parts washers typically use a cleaner that can contain soldered solvent, mineral spirits, petroleum naphtha, benzene, trichloroethane, xylenes, and other flammable petroleum-based chemicals. When picking out a solvent to use in your parts washer, there are two things to consider. First, the flash point. This is the lowest temperature where a solvent gives off enough vapor to be ignitable. The higher the solvent's flash point is, the safer the product. However, the higher you go, the slower the drying time and the less cleaning power the solvent will have. So, it's best to look for a happy medium between the two, like Recochem's Grade 16 solvent. This solvent is solder-based and has a flash point of 39 to 43 degrees Celsius or 102 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Second, be cautious of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. Canada, much like elsewhere in the world, has specific regulations surrounding the use, storage, reporting, and management of VOC-based solvents. So, when looking for a solvent, consider if it's non-hazardous, can be recycled or reused, has been shown to maintain efficiency over time, and if it provides the ideal experience for workers in regards to odor, personal risk, and performance. A non-solvent-based replacement option is Walter CB100 series. This product is biodegradable, non-corrosive, non-flammable, and works at low temperatures, making it a great option for parts washers. However, caution should still be taken when working with this chemical, as it can be powerful enough to strip the paint in some parts washers. When picking out a solvent or any cleaning chemical, make sure to refer to the safety data sheets for proper use. Also, you can always ask one of our Helpful Gregg's team members about which chemicals or solvents would be best for your application. Hey, you want to know a secret? Come here for a sec. Before this video is over, did you know that 3M's Red Scotch Bright Pad can be used for more than just abrasive applications? Use it in your parts washer as a filter on the top of the deck grate at the bottom of the basin. That way, the Red Scotch Bright Pad will save the wash pump from ingesting most of the heavy grit. Now that you know, pass it on. Now, Citation Cleaning Equipment has more to offer than just parts washers. Check out Citation Cleaning Equipment's fuel transfer tank. It's ideal for shops, car lots, salvage yards, and rental outlets that need a handy mobile fueling system. This unit can be used for both siphoning or dispensing because it has a two-way rotary pump, making it that much easier to top up or empty out that truck sitting in the dealership parking lot. The 2 dolly wheels, manual pump, and 30-gallon capacity make this unit easily mobile, so you're never tied down to a power source. However, this fuel transfer tank does not come standard with the matching filter kit. But luckily here at Gregg Distributors, we stock Dutton Layson fuel tank filters, and this filter here will work great with the Citation fuel transfer tank. So, if you ever need some more solvent for your parts washer or a new filter for your fuel transfer tank, just ask one of our helpful customer service staff members. Or, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to let us know in the comment section down below. You can visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Rob, and thanks for helping me clean up on Gear Up with Greggs.